discovery of English grammar continues with this, our 9th video out of 52, and today we look at articles and how to use them. What are articles? Well, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Don't worry, we will explain what this means in a moment. In English, there are two types of articles: definite and indefinite articles. We can call them perhaps specifying words. The first one, definite article, the apple on the left, for example. Now that I have showed you this apple and you are looking at this apple, when speaker and listener both know the specific noun that is talked about, in other words, this apple, when I say the apple, you know which apple specifically I am referring to. I would love to eat the apple. Did you love the movie as much as I did? When both of the speaker and the listener know which movie is talked about. The same with the last sentence, let us go to the restaurant, when both know the restaurant that they are talking about. The other two articles we get are a and an, and they are called indefinite articles. That's when we are not sure which specific noun we are talking about. For example, there are many apples here. Pick an apple. We don't know which particular apple we are referring to, so we will talk about an apple. Pick an apple, please. Now, a word starting with a consonant gets a, and words starting with a vowel gets an. That's the difference between these two indefinite articles. A ball, B is a consonant, and an apple, A is a vowel. I saw a movie last night, when the listener doesn't know which movie the speaker is talking about. I went to a party in an apartment, when the speaker, the listener, does not know which party and which apartment. Would you like to eat a pear? Pick a pear out of many pears. Now, some rules for using articles exist. Of course, we have to have our grammar moment. We use the when the noun is specific. The teacher, Ms. Smith, was on time. There is only one of something is another rule when we use the. Take the book. In other words, there is only one book on the table, and there is only one table. Or the noun has been mentioned before. As in this example, I saw a dog. The dog that I saw was barking. We use a or an when we mention something for the first time. For example, I have a dog, I have a house, I have a cat. Or when we are talking about one of many, she will buy an orange. Please pick an apple. Would you like to have a pear? It means that it's one of many. We do not use any article in two cases. Firstly, when we are using plural nouns and we are talking generally. For example, cats are cute. Or secondly, when we are using uncountable nouns and talking generally. Water is of essence to maintain life. Now, in this video, we are going to look at some specific examples because articles is one area where non-native speakers usually show very quickly that they are non-native speakers. And these are some of the general mistakes that they make, and you can learn to avoid them. Firstly, I saw a movie last night. This is wrong because you omitted the article. You said, I saw a movie. No, it's I saw the movie, when both of us know which movie I'm talking about. Or we can say, I saw a movie last night. First mistake, omitting the article. Second mistake, she is eating an apple. No, this is also wrong because she is eating an apple. Remember, that an is used before words starting with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. I have friend who works in advertising agency. This is something we hear many non-native speakers would say. This is of course wrong because you are omitting the indefinite article. I have a friend who works in an advertising agency. The cats are generally cute animals. Well, they are cute, but the sentence is wrong because you used the with a general plural noun. Cats are generally cute animals is the correct sentence. The sugar is bad for your health. Sounds right, but it's wrong because again, we don't use the with uncountable nouns. We will just say sugar is bad for your health. I am counting money. No, this is wrong because again, you used a or an. With uncountable nouns, you should say I am counting money. But you will, for example, talk about the money in my pocket. It's English, right? I live in the Cape Town. I hear this many times from my students. I'm going on holiday in the Paris. I will visit the New York. And this is all wrong because we do not use the with a proper noun. To summarize how we use articles, and what are they? The, and an, only three of them. Definite article the, used for specific or unique items. For example, the sun, the book, the moon. And an, our indefinite articles, are used when we first mention something or refer to general items. We use it for any single non-specific item, such as a cat, an apple. And just interesting rule for sound, we use a before consonant sounds and an before vowel sounds. So for example, a university, you may say, but hang on, an must be used before a vowel, but we are emphasizing the sound, and university sounds like it starts with a Y, right? University. The same with hour, is not hour, but hour. So the sound is O, not H. So an hour. Finally, no article is used when we are talking about general plurals or uncountables, such as money, sugar, water. Cats are cute. Water is essential. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe because you will learn on this channel and it's all for free. Thank you for watching.